Hello, welcome to Great Garden. Many people are still using the common orchid growing methods today, but in this video, I will introduce you to a completely new way of growing orchids that delivers surprisingly effective results. Using a completely natural fertilizer formula made from simple kitchen ingredients, combined with a semi-hydroponic growing technique, you will begin to see something magical happen. Plump white roots, glossy green leaves returning, and tiny flower buds starting to stretch and grow. Let's begin the journey of bringing your plant back to life. This is an orchid I bought from a shop at a discounted price. It looks weak, wilted, and lacking vitality. Let's save this plant together right now. First, I soak the plant in clean water for about 15 minutes to soften the growing medium. This makes it easier and safer to separate the roots from the medium without damaging the plant. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language, comment below, and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. After 15 minutes, once the growing medium has absorbed enough moisture, I gently remove the plastic pot from the plant. This step allows the roots to breathe better, reduces pressure from the medium, and careful handling helps avoid damaging the young roots. Next, I gently remove the layer of moss or old growing medium around the base of the plant. Moss is a common medium because it retains moisture well, but if overwatered, it can hold excess water, preventing the roots from breathing properly and easily leading to root rot, stem rot, and a weakened plant. By removing the old medium, the roots are freed, given better airflow to grow, and stimulated to produce new roots, which improves nutrient absorption. At the same time, replacing it with a new, clean, and nutrient-rich growing medium helps the plant recover quickly, grow strong, and be ready to produce vibrant blooms. After removing the growing medium, I use a pair of scissors, disinfect them with alcohol, and then begin trimming away the dried and rotten roots. This helps eliminate pathogens hidden in damaged roots while preserving the healthy, plump white roots that are still capable of growth. As a result, the orchid can absorb water and nutrients more easily, reduce the risk of disease spread, and create favorable conditions for new roots to develop vigorously. After that, we thoroughly rinse the entire plant under clean running water. This step helps remove all dirt, salt residue, and any remaining pathogens from the roots, leaves, and base of the plant. At the same time, washing the plant makes the root system more aerated, reduces the risk of fungal and bacterial infections, and creates a good foundation for new roots to develop successfully. This is also an important step that helps the plant acclimate to the new environment before being replanted into a clean growing medium. Once the plant has been thoroughly washed, I place it in a dry area for about 1 hour to air dry naturally. This step allows the cut surfaces on the roots to dry and seal. While waiting, I prepare an organic fertilizer to help the plant recover. Do you have onions at home? Onions are a very familiar kitchen ingredient, not only used for cooking, but also rich in natural nutrients that are extremely beneficial for plants. First, cut the onion in half. We will use only 1/2. Next, finely chop the onion as shown in the video. Chopping the onion finely helps release the maximum amount of antibacterial and antifungal compounds, along with natural vitamins and minerals. It also increases the surface area, allowing the nutrients to dissolve more quickly when making the solution and be absorbed by the plant more effectively. Next, put all the chopped onion into a blender. Then add 500 milliliters of filtered water at room temperature. Finally, close the lid and blend the onion until smooth. This helps completely break down the onion structure, releasing the maximum amount of antibacterial and antifungal compounds as well as natural nutrients, resulting in a more concentrated solution that dissolves easily and is absorbed by the plant more quickly and effectively when used. Next, I strain out the onion pulp and keep only the liquid extract. Add another 500 milliliters of water to dilute the solution. This is the part that contains a high concentration of natural active compounds and essential nutrients. Next, pour the prepared solution into this plastic cup. After the plant has dried, soak the entire root system in the onion solution for about 1 hour. This method helps the roots quickly absorb natural nutrients, provides antibacterial and antifungal support, promotes recovery after repotting, stimulates new root growth, and boosts the plant's resistance. After that, you can use the same solution to wipe the leaves of the plant. I use a soft cotton pad lightly soaked in the onion solution and gently wipe each side of the leaves. Wiping the leaves helps remove dust and residue, allowing them to absorb light more effectively for photosynthesis. At the same time, it helps limit bacteria, mold, and pests, keeping the leaves clean, glossy, and healthy. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. Next, I will reuse this plastic bottle. Do you have a plastic bottle like this at home? Let's recycle it together and turn it into a semi-hydroponic pot for orchids. First, I use a cup like this. Next, I use a pen to draw a line around the body of the bottle, as shown in the video. Then, use scissors to cut along the drawn line. This way, we have cut the bottle into 2 parts like this. Next, I use a heated tool to punch multiple holes around the neck of the bottle. This improves airflow and moisture absorption. These holes allow the orchid roots to breathe better while preventing waterlogging. This is an important step to ensure the semi-hydroponic system works effectively. After that, I turn the top part upside down and place it into the bottom section. In this way, we have a convenient orchid growing system. This method is especially suitable for people who don't have much time. In the next step, I prepare a pot of pine bark like this. Then, pour 1 liter of boiling water over the pine bark. This helps disinfect it, eliminate mold, insects, and any remaining impurities, while also softening the material so the roots can attach more easily and grow stronger after replanting. Once the pine bark has been disinfected, I remove it and prepare it for planting the orchid. After 1 hour, when the plant has soaked sufficiently, I remove it from the solution. At this point, the plant has been fully disinfected and is ready for the next step. Now, I will show you how to apply the semi-hydroponic growing method correctly. I use the plastic bottle that was prepared in the previous steps like this. Next, spread a layer of pine bark at the bottom of the pot. Then gently place the plant in the center of the pot and continue adding pine bark around the roots to help the plant stand firmly without tipping over. Note that you should not press the pine bark too tightly to ensure the roots still have enough airflow and space to grow easily. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. Next, gently water the base of the plant with clean water, making sure the growing medium and roots are evenly moistened. Any excess water will drain to the bottom of the cup, creating a moisture reservoir for the plant. This method provides a steady water supply with minimal maintenance, keeping the roots moist while still preventing waterlogging. That's it. We've completed planting the orchid using the semi-hydroponic method. Leave the plant undisturbed for 3 days to allow it to stabilize. After that, I will use rice water to water the orchid. I put 3 tablespoons of rice into a clean glass cup. Then, add 500 milliliters of clean water. Next, stir well so the ingredients are fully mixed, allowing the nutrients to be evenly distributed in the solution and ready for the plant to absorb more effectively. Next, strain out the solids and keep only the liquid extract. This liquid is the fertilizer we need. After that, add another 500 milliliters of clean water to dilute the solution. Finally, pour the rice solution into a dedicated spray bottle and gently mist it around the plant. This helps provide a source of natural, easily absorbed nutrients, supports healthy root development, improves the plant's vitality, and promotes greener leaves and more stable growth over time. Results. These are the orchid pots I am currently growing using the semi-hydroponic method I shared with you today. As you can easily see, after a short period of adapting to the new environment, the plants show very positive changes. The roots become white, plump, and healthy, starting to grow longer in search of water. The leaves turn thicker, sturdier, and glossier, and new shoots gradually begin to appear. This hydroponic orchid growing method is especially suitable for those who are busy and appreciate simplicity and cleanliness, yet still want their plants to remain healthy and thrive year-round. Enjoy the joy in every moment of caring for your plants. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like it and share it with your friends and family. And remember to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you won't miss upcoming videos about orchid care and simple yet effective gardening tips. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video on the Great Garden channel.